Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Silas Ivan Charleston. I have a bachelor's degree in environmental engineering, and I'm filming this new series of videos called Mr. Universe versus the Gods. And I'm looking for sponsors. My telephone number is 295-4287, and my email address is humblemansilas@hotmail.com, and you could make a sponsor through PayPal. If you want to give me some groceries, it's okay. Yep, I'll accept that as well. Yeah, like I said, I'm looking for a job, but I don't have a job. I'm disabled, prosthetic leg, and I don't get welfare. I don't have a job, so I don't really have a means to support myself other than what I'm doing right now. Okay, so with that out of the way, we continue with the talk of the universe. What again is the universe? The universe is everything around us, and it's basically energy. Yeah, it's basically energy, right? Now, the law of conservation of matter states that your energy, can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can only be converted from one form to another. Yeah, and I want to talk about exercise, and just the importance of understanding energy conversions and the processes involved in that, and how that is related to development. Yeah. First of all, to begin with, the developed countries have, you know, developed industries, you know, they have factories and stuff like that, you know, that basically use different, you know, procedures of processing. Okay, yeah, different procedures of processing, right? So the universe is energy, and it always existed. The universe is God, and we are to indoctrinate ourselves in it, to cliche ourselves on the natural laws of the universe. And energy conversion is very important, right? So if you want to develop a country, you have to think of harnessing energy, which involves converting energy from one form to another, or processing energy, right? So, and yeah, that's the way it happens in the natural universe. Yeah, right. Now, as a daily rule to live by would be exercising. Yeah, exercise is very important to exercise, right? When you exercise, your body basically carries out processes in which energy is converted from in the form of chemical energy to heat energy. Also, chemical energy in the body is converted to electrical energy, right? Which are seen in nerve impulses, which get transmitted from the brain to your muscles for locomotion to be possible, right? So, anybody who sits and doesn't exercise is a person who's actually going to get sick. He's not going to be healthy, right? So the universe changes from one form to another, right? As the universe does that, so right, this change in form basically involves different processes, right, which dictate energy conversion. So you, as a human being, you have to follow along with that. Yeah, follow along with that. Follow along with that. Develop industry which deals with manufacturing, which involves food processing, canning things, food processing, things, processes, in which you use energy conversions to produce a dollar, produce something to sell, right? So likewise when you exercise, the body undergoes processes in which energy is converted from one form to another. And if you don't exercise, then you're gonna be unhealthy, right? So instead of living by the Bible, we could understand and study the natural universe and find ways in which we could base our livity and the way we live on. Okay? And that's what I'm saying. To be indoctrinated in science, be indoctrinated, in this universe thing that I'm teaching you. Yeah. Take this, use this. Look for different ways of living and survival, which comes from probing into and studying into the universe. Right. I sure you bet you didn't see exercise that way until now that I have explained it for you. Right. So, as a law of life, processing, manufacturing, industry is inevitable. Okay? Of course, it's inevitable as the universe itself changes form. Yeah, and all different forms of energy in the natural universe changes from one form to another. Energy, according to Einstein's theory, can be converted to matter, and matter to energy likewise. Right, so you want to think in that way. Yeah, all the answers to good living lies there in the universe. So become indoctrinated in it rather than being so indoctrinated in Christianity and the Bible. Until the next video, people. Thank you for listening.